Hello students, I am Bindi Desai from Saraswati International Academy, and dear students, we will be learning Environment Studies of 5th English Medium, Chapter 4, Mangoes Round the Year, Part 2. Dear students, in Part 1, we have discussed about how the food gets spoiled. The food gets spoiled because of the microorganisms, because of the temperature, is it? Now, we also learned about the manufacturing date and the expiry date. Is it? Whenever we take any food item or any product, we have to see manufacturing date and expiry date. Also, we learned, students, that the difference between food spoiling and wasting of food. See students, this is what the leftover noodles in the plate, they are thrown in the dustbin. So this is what? Not spoiling of food but wasting of food. The leftover noodles are thrown in the dustbin, so it is wastage of food, students. And see what a small poor boy. He is not having proper clothes also to wear. What he is doing? He is eating the food which is fallen down. So there are so many poor people, students, who do not get the food to eat on the daily basis. See how the food is so unhygiene, and he is eating that. Is it, students? So we should not throw the food like this, especially not in the dustbin. So this is an example of food wastage. Another thing, students, the peel or the skin of the fruits, vegetables, they should also not thrown in the dustbin. Is it? They can be used as a manure. Is it? So they can be kept in the farms or in the gardens. Student, we also did an experiment. Is it that bread was kept, the bread was sprinkled with water and it was kept in a box. Is it? After 2 or 3 days, there were grass-like structure and green patches on it. What was it? What are they called? They are the fungus, and fungus are the microorganisms, students. And see, here also a picture is given of a sandwich, and the another sandwich is kept under a polythene cover. After few days, can you see the green patches? What are they? They are called fungus, and this bread is stale and spoiled. So obviously it is unhealthy for our body to eat. So today further we will be learning about mangoes and about a short story. Let's start. Here given below are some food items and some simple methods by which this could be kept fresh for 1 or 2 days. Match the correct pairs. Students, we all know that we have refrigerators at our home, is it? And we also know that certain things can be easily kept inside it, so that our things can remain fresh and easily eatable. Milk, we all know, milk should be boiled, and if it is not boiled then it gets spoiled. Is it? Milk I am talking about. Dear students, you know the spoiled milk, जो बिगड़ा हुआ दूध रहता है वो अपने को they are useful. That spoiled milk is useful for making paneer. We can make paneer out of the spoiled food milk. So the milk should be boiled properly. Next is cooked rice. Students, we cannot eat the raw rice. Is it? कच्चा चावल हम लोग नहीं खा सकते. What we need to do it? We eat biryani. Is it? We eat rice. So what we need to do? We have to boil it in the warm water. Is it? So the second is cooked rice. Put in a bowl and keep the bowl in a container with some water, so that what happens? It gets boiled. After cooking, it gets boiled and easily digestible. Third one, green coriander. Students, we all know green coriander, which we make chutney out of it, and this green coriander are used for garnishing all the tasty food items. Onion and garlic, we know they are pungent in taste. Is it? We learned that. Now where should be they kept? They should be kept in a dry open place, not in the wet place. If we keep that in a wet place, then it will get spoiled. Students, green coriander, what we can do? We have to wrap in a damp cloth or even in the newspaper. Okay. Now let's read further. Summer treat, Mamidi Tandra. Students, this is a short story which is given, and what they are making Mamidi Tandra, and we call it as Aam Papad. This chapter is related to the mangoes. Is it mango? We all know it comes in the summer season. Especially we enjoy it eating in our summer vacation. Is it? From March to May, we eat lot many mangoes. Either it is raw mango or ripe mango. Is it? Let's see the story. Summer treat, Mamidi Tandra. Students, Mamidi Tandra is a Aam Papad. Chitti Babu and Chini Babu live in Etrayapuram town in Andhra Pradesh. The brothers spend the summer holidays playing in the mango garden when the trees are full of fruits. They also like to eat unripe mangoes with the salt and chili powder. Students, even we enjoy eating it, is it? The ripe mango is used for making juices, जो हम लोग आम रस बोलते हैं. Is it कैरिनो रस? But unripe mango is also very sour and tasty, is it? So we enjoy it with eating with salt and chili. See students, unripe mangoes, can you see? So yummy, salt and chili powder. We enjoy eating this, is it? Also students, from unripe mangoes we can make many of the things like pickles. We call it as athanu, is it? At home, their mother cooks unripe mangoes in different ways. She also makes kinds of mango pickles. The pickles last through the year until the next mango season. Students, we all know and we have also seen the pickles which are made at our home. Our mother or grandmothers, they have the speciality in making these pickles, is it? Pickles are made up of many things like we can say chili, lemon, unripe mangoes, etc. By which what we can make we can make pickles of different varieties. One evening while having food, Chinni Babu asked, Amma, we have so many mangoes, make some money, Mamidi Tandra, that is Aam Papad from them. So one of the brother, what he told his mother that Mama, let's make Mamidi Tandra. We call it as Aam Papad. Their father said, making Mamidi Tandra needs 4 weeks of hard work. If you both promise to help us every day for the next 4 weeks, we can together make the Mamidi Tandra. So his father agreed, but what he told that it takes 4 weeks to make it. जो आम पापड़ रहता है उसको 4 weeks लगता है, and you both need to help us. Both the brothers quickly agreed to help. The next day, both the children went to the market with their family. They bought a mat woven from the leaves of a palm tree, poles of casuarina tree, string made up of coconut husk, some jaggery and gourd, sugar. Students, see what they both agreed. Father also agreed and the son also agreed. Then next day they went to the market. They brought many things like what they brought a mat which was woven. The second is they brought the poles of casuarina tree. They bought the strings which were made up of coconut husk and some jaggery and sugar. These are the ingredients which are helpful for making Aam Papad. Here there are few pictures, students. The first one, the two brothers are playing on the tree. The second is they are coming from the market with his father. The third is, see how the mango pulp is removed from the ripe mango. The fourth one, can you see a mat is woven and how it is kept between the poles. See, from a casuarina tree a poles, can you see, students? And how the mother is spreading that amras. And the last picture is showing that both are enjoying. Let's read the story. We have just discussed the pictures. Amma found a sunny place in the backyard. Both the brothers made a high platform by using the poles. They spread out and tied the mat on the platform. So what they did, they brought all the things from the market, and the next day in a sunny place. Sunny place मतलब क्या होता है? The place where the sun is more, the sunlight or heat is more, and the dry place we can say. So what they did, both the brothers made a high platform with the help of the poles. Next day, Appa chose the most ripe mangoes. They took out the mango pulp into a large pot. Then they strained the pulp through a fine muslin cloth. Students, आमरस अपने घर पे मम्मी भी बनाती है, is it? When she makes the amras, that is mango juice, she generally uses a net, that is sieve we can call, छन्नी use करती है, is it? वो sieve, a net like. And also a muslin cloth is also used. Why it is used? So that the fiber cannot go inside the juice, it can be strained easily, is it? So the mango juice which we drink is very smooth. So then Chitti Babu crushed the gur. Gur matlab jaggery. In Uttarayan season we all know we eat that til ka laddu, is it? What are they made up of? Til and gur, that is jaggery. Till there were no lumps. They added the jaggery and sugar in equal amounts to the pulp. So what they did, they added jaggery also and sugar also in the mango ras, in the mango juice we can say. And why did his father choose the ripe mangoes? Because ripe mangoes have more juice than the fibers. Chinni Babu mixed the jaggery and sugar well with the big spoon. Amma then spread this pulp into a thin layer over the mat. The thin layer was left to dry in the sun. Students, so everything was ready, the poles were kept, the mat was woven on that, is it? The amras was made, that is the juice was made. After that sugar and jaggery was also added to that and it was mixed. After that what her mother did, she spread it on the woven mat. In the evening they covered the mat with a clean sari to avoid any dust. Students, this is a food item which is not made in one day, it takes many of the weeks. So at the night what her mother did, she spreaded a sari on it, she covered the mat on which it was spreaded. Next one, the next day they again took some mango pulp, they added jaggery and sugar into the pulp. Then they spread the pulp over the previous day's layer. Students, first day they completed spreading. The very second day what they did, they again followed the same procedure. They took some mango pulp, added sugar and jaggery, and what they did, they spreaded the layer again on the previous day layer. The pulp over the previous day layer. This work was given to both the brothers. So the next day who did it? Both the brothers. Both of them together spread many layers over it. For the next 4 weeks they hoped that it would not rain. Yes, students, first of all we all know there are certain things which are made in summer season, is it? Like we all know we eat sabudana wafers, we eat papad, etc. Why we choose summer season? First of all, because it is too much of heat, is it? So it gets dry very fast. So rainy season is not suitable for making this type of food items. So if it rains, the food gets spoiled. The next, for 4 weeks they added layer after layer until the jelly grew 4 centimeters thick and looked like a golden cake. Students, why it is called golden cake? Because the layer they were adding more and more day by day, is it? Golden cake because the color was yellowish. After some days, Amma said the Mamidi Tandra is ready. We can take it out and cut into pieces tomorrow. So after 4 weeks, finally they completed making it and it was dried in the sun. So finally his mother told that it was ready to eat. Next, the mat was brought down from the platform. Mamidi Tandra was cut into smaller pieces. So the mat was on the poles, is it? So it was brought down and the Mamidi Tandra was ready to eat and they started cutting it into different pieces. Wow, how tasty, Chinni Babu said. After all, we have also helped in making it. Yes. So both the brothers helped their father and mother. So what Chini Babu is telling, that we have also helped in making this Mamidi Tandra. Now, why was sugar and jaggery mixed into the mango pulp and dried in the sun? Students, in this chapter, main thing is we learned about the wastage of food and spoiling of food. Now, another thing, that food should also be preserved. Food को preservatories, the role of a sugar and jaggery here is to preserve the mango pulp. मैंगो पल्प अगर 2 दिन रहेगा 3 दिन रहेगा तो वो बिगड़ जाता है. द रोल ऑफ शुगर एंड जैगरी, दे आर preservatories so that the microorganisms cannot grow on it. So sugar and jaggery is added with the mango pulp. Second is, why did Appa first choose the most ripe mangoes to be used for making Mamidi Tandra? Just because the ripe mangoes, they have more juice or more pulp, we can say. Third one, how did the brothers make the Mamidi Tandra? Write down the step by step. First of all, they all went to the market, is it? They all brought the wood, they all brought the mat oven. After that, the mango pulp was removed, and after that, with the help of mother, father, they spread it on the sheets. Day by day, what they were doing? They were spreading the sheets, the layer, till 4 centimeter, and finally it was ready to eat. What things are made in your house from ripe and unripe mangoes? Students, from ripe mango, जो हम लोग पक्काम बोलते हैं, we can make mango juice, we can make mango ice creams, mango kulfi, etc. Also mango faluda can also be made. There are many things which mango candy also, many things we can make for with the help of ripe mangoes. And also students, this is also preserved for the yearly basis, the mango juice, is it? So what are these? The greenish fruit, what are they? They are unripe mangoes. I showed you, right, how we eat it with the, it's so yummy when we eat it with salt and chili, red chili. So this unripe mangoes, dear students, we make chutney with it. Our mother makes chutney by adding onion in it, is it? The second thing is we can make आमचूर, जो हम लोग उसके पीसेस को सुखा के salt ऐड करके we can make आमचूर. Also, most special is the pickles. Pickles, they are made for the yearly basis. Student, पता है ना, पूरे साल एक साल में बनाते हैं और वो पूरा साल यूज़ करते हैं, is it? It is made in which season? In the summer season, because plenty of mangoes, plenty of sunlight, students. So this season is best for making pickles. So students, we are clear about the preservation of the food. The food which is not preserved should not be eaten. The food should be covered, students. Is it? Even in the pickles, oil is also used. What is the role of oil, student? तेल क्यों ज़्यादा डालते हैं? Because even the oil act as a preservatories. What it is act? It act as a preservatories. Students, all the non-veg food like fish, meat, ये सब भी क्या होता है? They are also being preserved, students. Even the frozen peas, जो हम लोग वटाना बोलते हैं, they are also being preserved. So the fresh items which we make, and they are kept for yearly basis. For example, papad, students, we all know papad. It is made up of lentils like urad dal, is it? And they are also dried in what? In the summer season. And students, one more thing I would like to tell you, that mango, it is called the king of fruits, is it? Hope you all enjoyed the story of the two brothers, how they played in the garden of mango trees and how they helped her father and mother. So even we have to help them, is it? Our parents. Thanking you, dear students.